Good morning, children. Welcome to the fifth session of linear equation in one variable. In last classes, we have learned how to frame simple equations and how to solve it. Today, let us study solving linear equation by reducing them to simpler form. Let us take one example. Solve 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. This equation is a linear equation having one variable. But this is not in a simple form. There are some denominators in LHS and RHS. For that, first we have to convert this equation into a simpler form. For that, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. First step is we have to take the LCM of the denominator. That is, LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. And then you have to multiply each term with this LCM, multiplying both sides of the equation by 6, which implies 6 into 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 6 into 1 is equal to 6 into x minus 3 by 6. We can cancel 6 and 3 from the first term and it becomes 2 as a factor in the first term. Second term becomes 6 into 1, 6 itself, and RHS 6 and 6 can be cancelled and the remaining factor itself x minus 3. Therefore, our new equation is 2 into 6x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. Okay, now easily you can solve this one by opening the bracket. Then the equation becomes 12x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. And at last, we will get the value of x as negative 1. Okay, therefore, the solution of this equation, we got it as negative 1. You can check your answer by substituting LHS and RHS of x by this value of negative 1. By substituting LHS, you will get it as negative 2 by 3, and by substituting this x is equal to negative 1 in RHS, there also you will get negative 2 by 3. Therefore, our answer is correct. Second example, solve 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. First, let us open the brackets of LHS and RHS. Thus, the equation becomes 5x minus 4x. Minus into minus become plus. Plus 14 is equal to 2 into 3, 6x minus 2 into 1, 2 plus 7 by 2. And little more we can reduce into simpler form and we will get the equation as x plus 14 is equal to 6x plus 3 by 2. Now, easily we can solve the value of x. How to solve, children? Transpose all the x terms in one side and all the constant in one side, and you will get the value of 5x as 14 minus 3 by 2, which implies 5x is equal to 25 by 2, which implies x is equal to 25 by 2 into 5 is equal to 5 by 2. Here, the solution of the equation is equal to 5 by 2. Now, let us move to exercise 2.5 in textbook, page number 33. In this exercise, 10 questions are included. Among these 10 questions, we can discuss 2 or 3 more questions. Question number 1. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. In this question also, we are having some denominators. All terms are in a fractional form. First, we need to make them into simpler form by taking the LCM of LHS and RHS. What is the LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4? The LCM of 2, 5, 3, 4 is equal to 60. Then what is the next step? We have to multiply each term by 60. Then it becomes 60 into x by 2 minus 60 into 1 by 5 is equal to 60 into x by 3 plus 60 into 1 by 4. Okay, you can cancel the common factors from numerators and denominators. You will get the equation in a simpler form. 30x minus 12 is equal to 20x plus 15. By solving, you will get the value of x as 27 by 10. If you need, you can check this answer by substituting the value of x in LHS and RHS and you can compare. Okay, second question. Solve n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Here LHS is having some denominators but RHS is a whole number. In this case also we have to do the same manner. What is the LCM of the 2, 4 and 6 is equal to 12. You have to multiply each term by 12. Each term of LHS and each terms of RHS to be multiplied by 12. Therefore, our new equation becomes 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n by 4 plus 12 into 5n by 6 is equal to 12 into 21. Don't forget to multiply this RHS also. Okay. Therefore, our new equation becomes 6n minus 9n plus 10n is equal to 252. By solving, you will get the value of n as 36. Let us discuss the 8th question. Solve 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here there is no denominators but in all cases some brackets are there. Then in this case we need to open the bracket and then we can solve. Very simple. That is 15 into y is equal to 15y. 15 into negative 4 is equal to negative 60. Negative 2 into y is negative 2y. Negative 2 into negative 9 is positive 18. 5 into y is 5y. 5 into 6 is 30 and right side is equal to 0. By solving, you will get the value of y as 12 by 18 and again we can write in the simple form 2 by 3. That is the lowest form of the answer. That is 12 by 18 is the answer. You can make it into the lowest form as 2 by 3. We can discuss one more questions from this exercise. 10th question. Solve 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Here we need to open the bracket of LHS and RHS. For that we need decimal multiplication. 0.25 into 4 is 1.00. 25 into 4 is 100 and take 2 decimal places, it becomes 1.00. Therefore, our new equation becomes 1f minus 0.75 is equal to 0.5f minus 0.45. Both f terms we can transpose into one side. Then we will get the LHS as 1.00f minus 0.50f is equal to negative 0.45 plus 0.75, which implies 0.50f is equal to 0.30, which implies f is equal to 0.30 divided by 0.50. How to divide a decimal by decimal? First, we need to convert the divisor or the denominator as a whole number, and then we need to divide. Therefore, if the denominator contains 2 decimal places, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 100. Then it becomes 30 by 50, and our answer becomes f is equal to 0.6. Now, from exercise 2.5 we have done 4 questions, and the remaining 6 questions you can do it yourself in your notebook. Okay, all of you copy down 2.5 all questions, because 4 questions we have completed. The remaining question also you have to complete in your notebook. Thank you. Take care, children.